guys, so I'm getting another stamp on my passport. Today I am at Wyck Garden, which is located in Philadelphia. So this is a center city garden. It's kind of weird. Getting here, you went from inner city to like all of a sudden, oh, historic section. It was kind of weird. So anyway, I'm looking forward to it. It's a small garden, so this is something I can easily tour within a couple of hours. So see you guys later. Okay guys, so I'm at Wyck. Their garden is a rose garden. It's a heritage rose garden, and they do actually sell the roses. And I got a complete list. They have a plant sale in fall, so you guys know I'll be checking that out. It is a parterre garden. It is very, very old. This is pretty much the original garden. Nothing about the shape has changed. And you can tell it's old because it's kind of hard to see. Let me just turn, kind of hard to see where one thing ends and the other thing begins. So they do have everything labeled. I got a little brochure, so it shows how everything is. I guess that's what it looks like in the spring, so I guess it should have come then. Okay, so that's what the parterre garden looks like. And then it's got a rose garden key with everything that's in there. So like I said, it's very overgrown. Now there's this part back here that is small. But you know what? If you have a very small, because I think this is half acre. If you have a small lot, you know, this is perfect. You know? I should have brought my camera with me. Oh, they got these really big hydrangeas. I don't know what kind they are. And there's a farm or something back here. So I think I'm a really crazy person out here looking to explore in this heat. So I think it seems like this is the type of garden that looks at best advantage in the spring, because right now it seems like a lot of stuff is tapped out. All of the roses they have are the antique ones. They only bloom once. These are, I guess, apples or crab apples. So whew. So this is very nice. It's very hot today, people. Very hot. Okay. And guys, this is pretty much it to the garden. This is definitely someplace I'll have to come back in spring so that I can see all the roses in bloom, because it looks very interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna go pay attention to all of the, I'm getting ready to go pay attention to all of the, read all the little signs, and I'll check in with you guys later. Okay guys, so this is the vegetable garden at Wyck. Check this out. Large space. So I think this entire thing is half acre. Yeah. So oh, that's Gomphorina right there. That's big. Rudbeckia. Oh, that's that star scabiosa. That's so pretty. I'm gonna have to get some seeds from botanical interest. There is the cosmos, which is huge. There's some, actually, is that Dara or lace flower? I'll have to ask her. And here's some sunflowers. There's some corn over there. I checked right now, there's 5 roses available for purchase. So I'm gonna get some of those. I don't know what this is. They didn't label this. I'm gonna have to see where the label is. It looks like they do use the cardboard no dig method gardening. Okay. Oh, ooh, look at that apple tree. This has got proper sized apples on it. That's nice. This little trellis with beans on it. Are those tomatillos, I see? I think those are tomatillos. Ooh, I see some tomatoes over there. Wow. Not sure what that is. Okay, let's see. It looks like some dill and whatnot. That's either, is that Swiss chard? I think that's rhubarb. I think rhubarb is bigger. And there's the strawberries. Nice. And there's their greenhouse. Oh, you know what? Let me go down and see what those roses are. So yeah, you know, I think this entire thing is half acre, so you can do a lot on a half acre. You really can. So let those in. So for those of you guys who feel like, oh, my lot is too small, no, your lot is not too small. Yeah, I'm gonna go down there and see what that is. Some sort of rose. It's really fragrant too. It's very nice. And there's some squash, which are taken over, as squash typically do. Nice. Oh, I see it's like zucchini, and I see some acorn squash down there. Very nice. Okay, so I don't know what this little house is. I don't know if it's like an ice house or something. I'm gonna have to ask her. But it's just really cool how they have all these little outbuildings and that nice little pergola thing. I think the property goes over to that wall back there, and then over to there. Yes, it's very nice. It feels very old. Okay guys, so that is the ice house. And this, so that's the ice house, and then 14 and 4. Okay, oh, so that's a smokehouse right there. That's why all that wood is there. Okay. And then apparently that house back there apparently used to be a barn, and now it's a private residence. That's adorable. And that's the learning center. I wonder what's in here. Oh, I don't don't know if you guys will probably won't be able to see anything. But yeah, there's like, it's like a classroom setting in there. Okay. You know, this is a half acre, but it feels so much bigger. And I don't know if maybe it feels so big because I'm in the city, and so a half acre lot in the city is a substantial, you know, because I feel like this is like, I mean, like my property is an acre, so this is like half the size of my property, but it just feels so much bigger. But like I said, size is relative, you know what I mean? So probably if I put my lot in a city, it would probably feel ridiculously huge. But anyway.